Today, Emily is going to show you her technique for the huff cough. The huff cough is one way to remove mucus from your lungs. Sit with your back straight so you don't slouch. Next, begin by breathing through your nose and out through your mouth. Do this 2 times. On your third breath, inhale deeply through your nose and hold it for 2 seconds. To exhale, breathe out hard while making the sound hoo. If you are able to move some mucus out of your airways, you will feel the need to cough to get the mucus the rest of the way out. Repeat this process if you feel like you still have some mucus in your lungs. It's handy to have tissues with you while you're doing the huff cough. As you practice, it will become easier to do. Now Emily will show you this process a second time through.
Thanks for watching.